So let us learn something, because first thing was Shikshashtaka. Today I will do Shikshashtaka, then one story, then one more story. One story from Bhagavatam and one story from Chaitanya Charitamrita. Shikshashtaka. Okay, this is not very readable. Yeah, this is good. Okay, everybody can see?
Yes, Prabhuji.
Now, in the audience here, how many people actually know Shikshashtaka?
No, first time.
There are 40 people here. How many people have Shikshashtaka Kantastha? Anybody knows Shikshashtaka? Het, you know Shikshashtaka Het? Hare Krishna, Krishna Veni Mataji, you located us. Okay, nobody knows Shikshashtaka here?
We don't know, Prabhuji.
Good, good.
No,
You're
Prabhuji.
learning. Today you will thank me. You're learning
Heard,
something.
but
Huh?
heard, but not. We can't spell properly.
Shabarinath, tell me, what is Shikshashtaka?
Sri Krishna can ask.
Who composed it? Whose composition it is?
Chaitanya Mahaprabhu.
Yeah.
What is their name? Who said that, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu?
Vasudha Kamath.
Sudha.
Vasudha Kamath.
Oh, Vasudha Kamath. Okay.
I am having a book, but I have not studied.
Okay, very nice. Where? Which ISKCON you went?
Not ISKCON. I have not joined ISKCON.
Okay, okay. No, sometimes when you not join, when you go to ISKCON temple, people purchase a book.
Yes.
Okay, that's a beautiful book.
Yes.
Now I'll go to explain to you. So all of you try to remember, this is a beautiful prayer to the holy name given by Lord Chaitanya. All of you, again and again, I'm requesting you, chant Hare Krishna, chant Hare Krishna, chant Hare Krishna. Shri Shikshashtaka. Cheto darpanamarjanam bhava mahadavagnirvapanam Sheya kairava chandrika vitaranam vidyavad jivanam Anandam buddhivardhanam pratipadam purnamrita swadanam Sarvatma snapanam param vijayate Shri Krishna sankirtanam. So beautiful, so nice. I try to, my request is, if possible, try to remember. At least you can, whenever every day you sit and chant, those who are chanting for half an hour, 1 hour, this takes just 2 minutes. You can just chant it and meditate on the meaning. These verses give you the mission of life, goal of life. All ISKCON, every temple, before they do japa, if you go to our headquarters, Mayapur, the Gurukul boys, small boys, 3-year, 4-year boys will come and chant this. Cheto darpanamar janam bhavamaha. Let us understand what's the meaning of this. Isn't it? Meaning is most important.
Yes.
So I know little Sanskrit, and I'll try to break out most of the words. I'll try to break out. Cheto darpada marjana. Cheto darpada marjana means we are trying to wash the mirror of the mind. Darpada means the mirror. Marjana means clean. Mandira marjanadishu, cleaning the mirror. So when you chant the holy name of the Lord, your mind becomes clean. Bhava Maha Dava Agni Nirvapanam. And all of us are in, this is like a forest fire, Maha Dava Agni. And what is the forest fire? Everybody is in so much anxiety today. Isn't it true? Everybody is in so much anxiety. All business is closed. No, the jobs are lost. So many people are getting infected, dying everywhere. True. Mangalore, nothing was happening, and now in Mangalore, so many people are getting sick. Yesterday, 230 people. Small village, small town is Mangalore, and here also 230 people. So, Bhavadaha, people are, oh, what will happen? What will happen? I'll also get sick. Mahadava Agni Nirvapana, so much anxiety we are having. But when you chant the holy name of the Lord, all your anxiety will be over. That means you're chanting. Isn't it beautiful? Chetodara Panamarjana, your mind will be washed from all unwanted desire. Bhava Mahadava, all anxiety will be over. If you follow a bona fide process, first thing, your heart should be free from anxiety and mind should become pure. First symptom, otherwise it's not a bona fide process. So if you chant the Harinama attentively, because there is a mystical spiritual process, this effect should first come. Shreya Kairava Chandrika Vitaranam Vidyavadu Jivanam. Vidyavadu Jivanam is a life. Jivanam is the life of all Vidya. It's a special Vidya. This will awaken in your heart. All knowledge will awaken in the heart. Shreya Kairava Chandrika Vitaranam. You'll feel so much Shanti. Just like in the night, the moonshine is so cooling, no? So soothing. Always moonshine is compared to very soothing. It is so soothing and cool and peaceful. Ananda Ambudi Vardhanam. Then next what will happen? The ocean of happiness will start increasing. Vardhanam means increasing, increasing, increasing. Generally, ocean in the world will not increase. But this ocean is special. Like Mangalore, we have an ocean next. It doesn't increase. It doesn't come inside the city. It's there only. But ocean of happiness increases. Ananda Ambudi Vardhanam Pratipadam. Every step. Purna Amrita Swadanam. Every step you feel nectar. Sarvatma Stapanam. Total purification will happen of the soul. Param Vijayate Shri Krishna Sankirtanam. Oh Krishnam Sankirtanam. All glories to you. All victory to you. How beautiful is the composition by Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Cheto Darpanamarjanam Bhamadavagnipapanam Shreya Kairava Chandrika Vitaranam Vidyavadu Jivanam Ananda Mudivardhanam Pratipadam Purnamratsvatanam Sarvatum Snapanam Param Vijayate Shri Krishna Sankirtanam. Okay. Everybody understood the meaning of this verse?
Yes, Prabhuji. What is Nirvapanam?
See, whatever little Sanskrit I know, I told you. Every word I don't know. Okay, let me go back to that. You can check Mataji, a word meaning also is there some places. Okay, later.
Okay.
You type Shishtastika word meaning you will get. I know most of the words, but I'm not Sanskrit expert. Some words I don't know. Okay, but overall meaning is in the same spirit, so you can see. Okay, so you can repeat after me. Cheto Darpanamarjanam.
Cheto Darpanamarjanam.
Everybody. Bhavamahadavagnirvapanam.
Bhavamahadavagnirvapanam.
Shreya Kairava Chandrika.
Shreya Kairava Chandrika
Vitaranam.
Vitaranam
Vidyavadu
Jivanam
Anandamudivardhanam
Anandamudivardhanam
Pratipadam Purnamrita Swadanam
Pratipadam Purnamrita Swadanam
Sarvatma Snapanam
Sarvatmam Snapanam
Param Vijayate Shri Krishna Sankirtanam.
Param Vijayate Sri Krishna Sankirtanam.
All glory to Shri Krishna Sankirtana, which cleans the heart of the dust accumulated for years and extinguishes the fire of lamentation, fire of conditioned life, of repeated birth and death. This Sankirtana movement is the prime benediction of humanity at large because it spreads the rays of benediction moon. It is the life of all transcendent knowledge. It increases the ocean of transcendent bliss and enables us to fully taste the nectar for which we are always anxious. Okay? So this is first one is over. So my request is please try to remember it. Very good. नाम नामकारी बहुधा निज सर्व शक्ति तत्रार्पिता नियमिता स्मरणेन काला एतादृशी तव कृपा भगवन् ममापि दुर्दैविदुषमिहा जनिनानुरागा. Very beautiful. Nam namakari bahuda nija sarva shakti. It says Krishna has given all his potency to the holy name. Holy name of the Lord is all powerful. Nam namakari bahuda nija sarva shakti. Tatra pita niyamita smaranena kala. And chanting this holy name, there is no time, there is no rule. Na niyama, na kala. No rule. You can chant any time. Etadishi tava kripa bhagavan mamapi. You are my Lord, you are so merciful to me. Durdev vidashamiha janina anuraga. I am so unfortunate, I have no attachment for chanting your holy name. Okay, so let us chant this together. Nam namakari bhuda.
Nam Namkari Bahuda
Nija sarva shakti.
Nija Sarva Sakti
Satrarpita niyamita.
Tatra Pita Niyamita
Haranena kalaha.
Smaranena Kalaha
Etadishi tava kripa.
Etadarsi Tava Kripa
Bhagavan
Bhagavan Mamapi
Vidashamiha janina.
Durdaivam Vidasam Vijanina Anuargaha.
Beautiful, no? Okay. Oh my Lord, your holy name alone can render all benediction to the living being, and thus you have hundreds and millions of names like Krishna and Govinda. In these transcendental names, you have invested all your transcendental energy. They are not even hard and fast rules for chanting this name. Oh my Lord, out of kindness, you enable us to easily approach you by your holy names. But I am so unfortunate, I have no attraction for them. So beautiful. Okay, you understand the meaning of the first two verses? Where these are all teachings of Lord Chaitanya. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu gave the 8 verses. These are all glorification of the holy name. But how we should chant the holy name in the third verse? Tirinadapi suni chayana. You can repeat after me. Tirinadapi suni chayana.
Trinadapi Sunichena
Tarorapi sahishnuna.
Tarorapi Sahisnuna
Amanina manadena.
Amana Manadena
Ketanaya sadahari.
Kirtaniya Sadahari.
The basic idea is when you're chanting the name of the Lord, you should do it in a very humble state of mind. Otherwise, it is very difficult to chant holy name properly. Okay? Suppose all the time your mind is disturbed, why this person says like that, what that person thinks of himself. Tell me how will you chant? So what you should do? Trinadapi sunichena tarorapi sahishnuna amanina manadena kirtaniya sadahari. Then you can chant. Trinadapi sunichena means more humbler than a blade of grass. Tarorapi sahishnuna, more tolerant than a tree. Taror means tree. You should tolerate like a tree. Grass, why? Because people stamp on the grass and go away. And what does the grass do? It doesn't protest and after some time come back as it was. No, as if nothing happened. So the people, somebody will be like, you're an idiot. What do you think of yourself? And your heart is so hurt. No. Then you cannot chant the holy name of the Lord. Just ignore. It's part of life. Tarorapi sahishnuna, more tolerant than a tree. People come, tree gives all benefit, and then after that people cut the tree. So very tolerant. It's an example of tolerance. Amanina, not expecting any respect to ourselves. Manadena, ready to give respect to the whole world. That's the nature of a devotee. Kirtaniya sadahari, then you can peacefully chant. So Chaitanya Prabhu said, this verse we should wear like a kantimala on the neck. Then you can peacefully chant. Isn't it good to have qualities like that? Want you respect anybody who has this quality? Trinadapi sunichena, tarorapi savishuna, amanina, manadena, kirtaniya sadahari. Then you can peacefully chant. Very nice. This is very beautiful link. I think I should save this.
Can we ask question in between, Prabhu?
Not in between. Let me finish. Okay. Okay. Now today's whatever I show you, I'll put in a link and then share. I have to share to 12 groups. Okay, this is clear. Nadanam najanam na sundarim kavitava jagadish kamaye na dhanam,
न धनं
na janam,
न जनं
Not
na sundarim,
न सुन्दरी
not
kavita,
कविता
Kavita,
ma,
वा
jagadisha,
जगदीश
Jagadisha,
kamaye,
कामये
Kamaye,
mama janmani janmanishware,
मम
Janmani,
जन्मनि
Janmanishwari,
tad bhakti,
Bhagavad Bhakti,
Bhakti Tvai.
Ahituki Tvai.
Very nice word. He's saying, my Lord, I don't want money. Na janam, I don't want any followers. Na dhanam, na janam, na sundarim, I don't want any beautiful woman. I don't want all these things. See, people, they want these three things in life. Either they want money, or they want followers, or they want some beautiful girls following them. Na sundarim, kavitam refers to beautiful girls singing very sweetly. He said, I don't want all these things. My Lord, I don't want all these things. What do I want then? What is your positive program? Only no, no, no. I have one positive program. What is that? Janmani Janmaneshware Bhavatad Bhakti Hetukito. He is not asking to come to Vaikuntha also. Birth after birth, please give me your service. What kind of service? Ahetuki. That is spiritual. Spiritual service is without any cause. It gives pleasure to the self. So I am so much enjoying ecstasy of service to you, my Lord. Give me your service birth after birth. I don't want money. I don't want followers. I don't want anything of this world. It's such a beautiful prayer. This is by Lord Chaitanya. Okay, now next prayer. Each prayer is higher than the previous prayer. See, it is going higher, 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 higher. Ainanda Tanuja Kinkaram
Ahinanda Tanuja Kinkaram,
Patita Vishame Bhavamudo
पतितं पां
Nama Vismaya Bhavambudo,
Kripaya Tava Pada Pankaya
Krupaya Tava Pada Pankaja,
Dhuli Sadisham Vichintaya.
Sthita Dhuli Sadasam Vichintaya.
Ainanda Tanuja Kinkaram. Oh my Lord, son of Nanda Maharaj. What should Kinkaram? I am your servant. Patitam Vam. I have fallen down into this ocean of Bhavamudho, of birth and death. What do I do, my Lord? I have fallen down into this ocean. Kripaya, please have mercy. I am not able to pick myself. Kripaya tava pada pankaja siddhuli sadisham vichintya. My Lord, pick me up and put the dust at your lotus feet. I cannot pick myself. You please save me. So very sweet, touching prayer. Ai nanda tanuja kinkaram patitama vishame bhavam dudao. Kripaya tava pada pankaja siddhuli sadisham vichintya. Nayanam galada shudharaya.
नयनं
Nayanam
गलत्सुधा
Galada Sudharaya,
Vadanam gadgadarudhaya gira.
वदनं
Vadam Gadgadaya Gira,
Pulkai nichitam vapu kada.
Pulakai Nichitam Vapuda Kada,
Savanam bhavishyati.
Savanam Grahano Bhavishyati.
Nayanam galudashmaya. Now from eyes tears are coming. Vadanam gadgadarudhaya gira. And body shaking of ecstasy. Pulkai, hairs are rising in ecstasy. When the day will come, my Lord, that this will happen, that when I chant your holy name, oh my Lord, when will eyes with decorated tears of love flowing constantly when I chant your holy name? When will our voice choke up and when the hairs of my body stand on the end of recitation of your name? So this should not come artificially, but this will come and sincerely we keep chanting the holy name. One day it will come. Yugahitam nimeshena
वायितं निमेषेण
Yugahitam
chakshusha pravishahitam
चक्षुषा
Chakshusha Pravisahitam
Shunyahitam jagat sarvam
शून्यायितं
Vitam Jagat
जगत्सर्वं
Sarvam
Govinda virhena me.
Govinda Vinay.
Yugahitam nimeshena means small movement is looking like a yuga. Yuga means, 12 years. Yuga means different durations are there for yuga. Yuga is the duration of time actually. So Yugahitam nimeshena, one yuga is looking like feeling a separation. I am considering a moment to be like 12 years or more. Tears are flowing from my eyes like torrents of rain, and I am feeling all vacant in the world in your absence. Just like when you're waiting for somebody, a moment looks like an ocean. So much time waiting when you're waiting. Particularly as teachers, we know we are late in the class by 1 minute. they will create hell. And when they are late for the class, half an hour, that's okay. Sir, just now I come late. So when you're waiting for somebody, a small moment of time becomes very big. So but when you love the Lord, you're waiting to see the Lord. He's saying, what is my condition, my Lord? Feeling of separation, I'm in this condition now. One moment is looking like 12 years or more. Tears are flowing from my eyes, at torrents of rain. And I'm feeling the whole world is vacant in your absence. This is actually the heart of a great devotee, the Lord. Ashishyava padaratam pinashtamam.
आशीलिस्य वा पदरतं पितश्चुमः
Adashanam marmahatam karotu va.
अदर्शनान्महतं करोतु वा
करोतु वा
Yata tata va vidadatu lampato.
यथा तथा वा विदुलातु लम्पटो
Matprananatam sneva na paraha.
मत्प्राणनाथस्तु स एव नापरः
Ashlishtya means, my Lord, you embrace me, or you kick me. Padaratam pinastu, I am lying at your feet, you just kick me and walk away. Adarshanam, you become invisible and break my heart. Marma hatam, my heart you break. Karotu va. Yata tata, my Lord, do whatever you want. Vididatu lampato, you do whatever you want. Mat prana nata, you are my Lord of the heart and nobody else. I know no one but Krishna is my Lord, he shall remain. So even if he handles me roughly by his embrace or makes a broken heart by not being present before me, he is completely free to do anything and everything, for he is my worshipable Lord unconditionally. So that is very nice. It is in Chaitanya. If anyone recites and hears the 8 verses of instruction of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, ecstatic love and devotion for Krishna increases day by day. That is the blessing of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. So, okay? So try to remember these verses and it will be very, very auspicious. Possible? Please try. Okay. Okay, the first part we finished. Now we have some question before we go. Yes. Anybody has any question?
Hare Krishna Prabhu.
Yeah.
Prabhu, I think the second one said that we can chant his name anytime, anywhere. There is no restriction. Yeah, right. So even that even in bathroom or toilet, there is no such restriction.
But see what happens.
It does not count any offense there,
The
Prabhu.
quality rounds are separate. Extra rounds are separate. Quality rounds means we say I'm chanting 4 rounds. It's not the rounds we do when we are eating or when you are. No, that is a round done properly. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare. If you want to advance the spiritual life, there has to be some quality round. Quality rounds means done very, very attentively. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Ram, Ram, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Ram, Ram, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. So is it difficult? Not difficult, no? Please chant. And I tell you, when you increase the concentration, more, then you increase the concentration more, you will feel as if somebody is keeping rabadi on your tongue. So sweet. But if you do, other chanting chanting is never a loss. It's always a bonus. But if you do attentive chanting, you'll find nectar. Then Krishna is conquered. Okay? Does it make sense? You all give this. Chanting is always auspicious, always good. But if you do attentive chanting with great concentration, that will capture the heart of people. So if you introspectively study, actually, I myself give an example. When the new year started, I was very much interested to improve my service. How do I do? So many years are over. So I thought one thing let me do. Let me find out where I'm wasting time. So just suddenly I realized I think I'm watching news too much because nowadays Corona, what happens every half an hour? What is the score? What is the score? We waste our time. But actually now I'm at change. I'm every day seeing the score of registration. Take care, all of you are there, my good friends. Please spread this. Try to see we again achieve 10,000 Hath Savara in Canada. That for that lot of support in the internet is not no. It has just crossed 1,000 now. And we are, which is the date now, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. I don't know how in 4 days I will reach. I want to reach 10,000 because I have a machinery of 30 people now who can take classes. So I want to give everybody a good room, 300, 400 people, and they can enjoy. So if possible, please all of you try to encourage your friends all of to take up. Okay, so is this fine now, the first part, Shishtashtaka? Any questions of Shishtashtaka? It's a beautiful prayer to the holy name. So when you chant the holy name, my request is at least half an hour, 1 hour, at least that much, just sit down and attentively chant. Now we are going to meet only twice a week, correct? Friday and Saturday night. So rest of the week you are free. So every day you are hearing Gita. Now sit down and chant very attentively every day, at least half an hour. Hare, just block everything, no activity that time. Hare, and preferably it's morning because that time people will not disturb you. Sleep early, get up early, and Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna. You see the marvel, magic then starts. And magic starts, and then Krishna will immediately reciprocate. See, you have to convince Krishna you're serious. Who am I? I'm nowhere. And then when Krishna says you're serious, then the magic will start. Okay, this is fine. The first instruction.
Prabhuji, I have a small doubt. This Sishtashtaka is the only verse that Chaitanya Mahaprabhu wrote, or is there any other things also Chaitanya Mahaprabhu written?
See, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu had many disciples, millions of disciples. He told among them, many of them to write. They wrote. He taught them, but he did not write. He told Goswamis to write, his 6 disciples, and they wrote more than million shlokas in Sanskrit, establishing his bhakti cult. He sent them to Vrindavan to write, and they sat down in Vrindavan. They developed various temples. If you go to Vrindavan, it is a whole place they worship Lord Chaitanya, every temple. And the Goswamis' places are there. There's the Bhajanakuti of the Goswamis. This is their Samadhi of the Goswamis. This is Pushpa Samadhi of the Goswamis. Whole Vrindavan is only that. And Lord Chaitanya, you see like that in every temple. So he told them to go there and establish Vrindavan, and they were the ones who wrote maximum. In fact, I'll teach you few books of the Goswamis also. Very beautiful, amazing books. See, they are all acharyas are guiding us how to become a devotee. Just like we see Prahlad Maharaj is also a great devotee. We are also a devotee. Where is the comparison? If somebody takes sword in front of us, we will not be able to maintain any tranquility. He is so peaceful and praying to the Lord. He is a very great devotee. So let us read about Prahlad Maharaj today for encouragement. Ready, everybody? Want to hear about Prahlad Maharaj?
Yes,
Yes,
Prabhu.
Prabhuji.
Yes, Prabhuji.
Yes, Prabhu.
Okay.
Yes, Prabhuji.
So let us do a little about Prahlad Maharaj. And I want to read one story from Chaitanya Charitamrita. That is even more sweeter than the sweetest.
Yeah, we'll do that. Yes, Prabhuji.
So let us see how much time permits. Till what time you are going? Till 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock?
Yes, Prabhu.
What? They're ready, huh? 1 o'clock?
Yes.
It's visible. Everybody can see. This actually I
Narasimha Jayanti.
designed. This presentation I had designed on Narasimha Jayanti to glorify Prahlad Maharaj, but I'm using now. So there are 2 personalities in in this who are very in focus. Definitely one is Narasimha Deva, and there are 2 people. One on the right side is a crazy fool who trying to torture other people, harass other people, and wants to acquire some powers for that. This is Hiranyakashipu. And other thing is a Prahlad, golden boy. You see how golden it looks also? Pure devotee of Krishna. Bhakta Prahlad. So let us understand what you want to become. Let us see what you want to become. Here the story starts from this instance that Hiranyakashipu had gone to the forest to do tapasya, to get some powers from Brahma. And there was nobody there at the palace. So the Devatas attacked the palace and they could defeat his soldiers and they kidnapped his wife. So Kayadu was at that time pregnant. And you see Indra here, you can see Indra is standing here. And suddenly there, to stop them from this activity, Narada comes. He says, my dear Indra, you are the king of the Devatas. What is this behavior? You're kidnapping somebody's wife? So no, my dear Narada, we have only one intention. We want to watch this child. Because Hiranyakashipu is such a torturous demon harassing the whole universe. So if this child is something similar, we will take him to task. We'll arrest him or whatever we want. So Narada says, no, this child is such a great devotee that even if you want to kill him, you can't do anything. He's directly protected by the Lord. Narada already knows he's a great devotee who is taking birth. So he has full faith in the words of Narada because Narada never lies. So Indra says, really? So call the Devatas, all of them gather, they offer pranam to Prahlad in the womb. And then they start doing parikrama of Prahlad. You know, like in a temple you do parikrama? They do parikrama and they do namaskara to Prahlad and they go away. But then, you know, the thing is that the Kayadu, the wife of Hiranyakashipu, is not scared. You know, any mother will be scared. They want to kill my child. So she says, Narada, I don't trust these Devatas. I have one request to you. That Sridhara, you shared the Prabhupada Kirtan, no? You shared in my group also. I saw your share.
New group also shared that?
No, you share Prabhupada Vani, no? Kirtans and bhajans of Prabhupada.
From your side too. I shared in my group.
Okay, anyway, if you can share. So anyway, so Prahlad Maharaj, Narad Muni, then what happens? She requests Narada, give me shelter. Narada is actually a brahmachari and a sannyasi. Technically, he cannot give shelter to a woman. Correct? You all understand. At the same time, Narada is not ordinary. He is super devotee. He can allow some time with the right intention. So Narada Muni said, okay, come. Because he has something in his mind. What? He wants to teach this boy Prahlad about bhakti more. He knows already he is a great devotee because Narada is the greatest devotee. Nobody can compare to him. You see how beautiful is looking Narada. So he takes her to the ashram, his ashram, and she is making some garland or something for puja and all. The wife Kayadu is sitting. And Narada is sitting, and Narada starts his Veena and his glorification of Narayana. Narayana, Narayana, and he starts off his glorification. And who is enjoying? Not Kayadu. Kayadu is very worried. Oh, what will happen when my husband will come? My husband. She took a blessing from Narada that my child will not be born till my husband Hiranyakashipu comes. So Narada said, okay, I empower you. So child will not be born. And now she is happy doing and she is peaceful. And she is worried about the husband, about the child. She is not able to hear so attentively. And neither she is so great to absorb it. Prahlad is drinking the nectar. Oh my God. Just like you drink honey, limitless honey coming from Narada, and Prahlad Maharaj is drinking. Then what happens? But here is the husband. Look at the idiot. He's doing great tapasya. And then so much tapasya, the body is eaten by ants, termites. Termites eat his body and still is holding on. And finally, Brahma comes down. And Brahma comes on his swan carrier. He says, my dear Hiranyakashipu, so much torture. What do you want? Tell me. Make me immortal. I don't want to die. Give me all the powers and make me immortal. See, one thing is there. The immortal ka business nahi hota mere se. Kyun? I am myself not immortal. How I make you immortal? So it's not possible for me to make you immortal. So then after that, it's over. So he said, okay, roundabout way I'll ask you. So what is that? This timer has come. So roundabout I'll ask you. What is that I'll ask you? Oh, Govinda. So roundabout, okay, what is that? Okay, see that I don't die in the day, all that. He tried to trick Brahma. No, not in the day, not in the night, not in outside, neither inside. What are the rest? not by any weapon, neither by man, neither by animal, not in the land, not in the. He thought he has made himself invincible, and all his conditions are broken by Narasimhadev. You know this joke, no? Correct? Everybody knows, I think. And then you see, even though he did tapasya, something even before I go ahead, just to warn you. See, Hiranyakashipu did this tapasya and so much tapasya. Where is Prahlad tapasya? Nothing like that. It's simple. He's peacefully sitting, talking to his friends about Krishna, and he's making the chanting and dancing. And what is the destination? Hiranyakashipu was killed by Narasimhadev. Prahlad Maharaj, Narasimhadev put his hand on his head. So what do you want to do? You want to do like this or this? Isn't this is so sweet, easy? You're now hearing Bhagavad Gita, Bhagavatam, and some people are there like this tapasya. What is the result? They're killed by Narasimhadeva and this person is blessed. I give a very good example of a teacher. In a teacher, because that's the role I play. In a classroom, there are some students, the hearing to the student teacher very attentive. That's very rare nowadays, not even 5%. The hearing every word what the teacher, oh, so nice. And teacher is giving some assignment, they take the assignment, they do it very well. And some students, they're not hearing. They're watching movies on the mobile when the class is going on. When the teacher notices, they don't even look at the face of the teacher. What the teacher says, get out. So some people see the teacher in a very affectionate relationship every day. Those who are devotees, they see the Lord every day. And the Lord reciprocates to them and it's wonderful. But some people who avoid God, they see the power of God, get out when they have to leave the body. So everybody sees God. Either you see God in your life as a devotee, or you see God at the time of death as a kala. Go, get out of the body. Just like a teacher. One person relates to the teacher, understands what the teacher is teaching. He sees the smiling face of the teacher and he's also enjoying, teacher is also enjoying. But some people see this face of the teacher. He doesn't see face, he sees the power of the teacher. Get out! So two ways we can actually relate to the teacher. Same way, some people see the Lord whole life and finally they see the love of the Lord when he puts his hand over their head. But some people avoid God, but they see God as death, like Hiranyakashipu said. Okay, let us continue then. So all the devatas, they were so scared of Hiranyakashipu. This was just side step. So scared of Hiranyakashipu doing such tapasya that they finally went to the Supreme Lord. Please save us. What do we do from this person? This person is so dangerous. Correct? What do we do? Yeah, here is it. This person is, So after he got powers of Brahma, he started terrorizing the whole universe, Hiranyakashipu. Brahma threw some water on his body, so whole body became like a young, strong man. And he took all benedictions of Brahma of superpower. Nobody in the universe could fight with him then. So acquiring all the powers, he was harassing everybody. Always he was drunk. He and his brother also, Hiranyaksha. Hiranyaksha was killed by Varahadev, and his time is coming now. So this brother, the Hiranyakashipu, is actually become very, very disturbing. So all the devatas got fed up. They could not manage. He used to beat up any devata whenever he wanted. So they went to him and they asked the Lord. They all started praying. So they heard the voice of the Lord. They didn't see the Lord this time. The voice of the Lord vibrated as follows. O best of the learned persons, do not fear. I wish good fortune to you. All good fortune to you. Become my devotees by hearing and chanting about me and offering me prayers. Become devotee. For these are certainly meant to award benediction to all the living entities. I know all about the activities of Hiranyakashipu and shall surely stop them very soon. Please wait patiently until that time. So you wait patiently. I'm going to stop this Hiranyakashipu very soon. When Hiranyakashipu teases the great devotee Prahlad, his own son, who is peaceful and sober, who has no enemy, I shall kill Hiranyakashipu immediately. Describe the benedictions of Brahma. I don't care for the Brahma benediction, I'll kill him. Correct? When you touch a pure devotee or a great soul, you lose all your punya. Whatever Hiranyakashipu had acquired will be lost because of trying to tease Prahlad. Okay? That's what they heard from Lord. From the very beginning now, there is a glorification of Prahlad in Bhagavatam, 7th canto. From the very beginning of his childhood, Prahlad Maharaj was uninterested in childish playthings. Indeed, he gave them all together and remained silent and dull, fully absorbed in Krishna consciousness. Since his mind was always affected by Krishna consciousness, he could not understand how the world goes on being fully absorbed in the activities of sense gratification. He said, why people are absorbed in sense gratification? He could not understand. What's their problem? Prahlad Maharaj was always absorbed in thought of Krishna, thus being always embraced by the Lord. He did not know how his bodily necessities, such as sitting, walking, eating, lying down, drinking, and talking, were being automatically performed. You know how this was going on. It's totally absorbed. Just like when you're absorbed in something, you don't even know when you ate. Because the advancement, this is a small boy, below 5 years. Because the advancement of Krishna consciousness, he sometimes cried, sometimes laughed. See Narada's magic now. Sometimes expressed jubilation, sometimes sang loudly. He became totally mad in Krishna Bhakti. Sometimes upon seeing the Supreme Personality Godhead, Prahlad Maharaj would loudly call in full anxiety. He sometimes lost in shyness and jubilation and became dancing in ecstasy. Sometimes being fully absorbed in thought of Krishna, he felt oneness and imitated the pastime of the Lord. Sometimes it happens, small children imitate the teachers. Sometimes feeling the touch of the Lord's lotus hand, he became spiritually silent, spiritually jubilant and remained silent. His hair standing on the end and tears gliding down his half-closed eyes because of his love for the Lord. So it is so beautiful to achieve prema for the Lord, the highest. But it's spiritual. This is not material, this is spiritual. For this, you have to be really blessed by a pure devotee. Because the association with the perfect unalloyed devotee has nothing to do with anything material, Prahlad Maharaj constantly engaged in the service of the Lord's lotus feet by seeing bodily features when he was perfectly ecstasy. Persons very poor in spiritual understanding became purified. In other words, Prahlad Maharaj bestowed upon them transcendental bliss. So even seeing him, Daityas felt purified. He's such a great devotee. His whole behavior is from Yogamaya. Mahatmanastu Mahampata Yogamaya Samavrita. Hiranyakashipu is totally a dancing puppet in the hand of Mahamaya. And Prahlad Maharaj is in the hand of Yogamaya. You understand Mahamaya, Yogamaya? Mahamaya means Kama, Krodha, all the 6 sister brothers. And Yogamaya means Prahlad Maharaj is an example, and Yogamaya touches you. We come on a different platform. Now, next part is the duel between them. Okay. Should we do today? You tell me, how many of you feel we should stop now? At 10 o'clock, we have reached. Did we continue?
Okay, Prabhuji, no problem. We will do.
We should stop.
You continue.
We
You
should
can
stop.
finish the
Yes.
story, sir.
We can continue, Prabhuji.
We don't have anything on this like Zoom for polling. Now they will introduce, they said from August they are going to introduce. See, otherwise the audio quality is very good, video quality is very good. I can control my whole organization here. All
Ask
the,
people to
huh?
raise their hand. How many wants to continue? They can raise their hand.
Now raising hand is there one function. Like I have raised my hand. Do you all know? No, raise hand those who want to stop better because.
Okay.
Better we do on Manindra Sahu.
Yes.
Only one person. Everybody knows how to put that button. More actions will be there. Manindra Sahu, can you tell people how to raise hand?
Yes, it is there, like where you're muting and turning on your video call, right next to that. You can see a hand. If you raise, if you click on that, it will raise your hand.
Where muting, where the button of muting is there?
After, right next to that, the third option, right next to that. That one.
Yeah, for me it is not appearing
there.
here.
See, my I'm on a
It's not
computer.
available on the phone.
So
Yeah,
Rajiv,
in phone you may not be able to view it.
phone it is not there only.
Yeah,
Phone
it may not
that
be
3 dots
visible.
is there. That's all. 3 dots.
If you press on the 3 dots, nothing comes.
They're not getting it.
3 dots doesn't
No,
come.
Prabhuji, it will not come.
That may not
Only
visible.
in the
I think
application.
Prabhuji, I think we should stop today. I think next time again we can start it.
If you click on 3 dots, it might
Hello.
appear on the phone.
So now let us do one thing. Is there anybody in this assembly? It was good today. Beginning start.
Yes,
Good.
very nice.
Yes.
Yes,
Prabhuji.
Prabhuji.
Yes, Prabhuji.
Yes,
What are,
Prabhuji.
what are the two things you learned today? One is you learned Shishtastaka.
Shastastaka
The
and
thing we just started Prahlad Leela. It will
Prahlad
go on
story.
tomorrow we will have dishum between them debate. Prahlad Maharaj is fearless. He smashes his father every time. 5-year-old boy. He will go to his debates tomorrow. Okay, in the night. Now, anybody has a question now? Okay, anybody in this audience is chanting 16 rounds? Anybody is chanting 16 rounds here?
I'm chatting.
Who? Ashit, Anand,
Ashrit.
Ram. Where are you, Mataji?
Hello.
Where are you, Mataji?
Bangalore.
Oh, very nice.
Uh,
Very nice. So I don't, only one person chanting 16 rounds here? So good. Chanting 16 rounds. See, I promoted you.
Hello.
So Mataji, Ashit, Anand, Ananta Raman Mataji, very nice. You're chanting 16. Now what you should do? You
16
should.
plus 16.
Huh?
I'm doing the morning 16 and evening 16.
Oh, you do 32 rounds every day or 32 times you chant?
32 rounds.
Oh, very nice. How come? Who inspired you? Which temple do you go in Bangalore?
In Rajaji Nagar.
At Hare Krishna Hill.
Yes. Hare Krishna. Hello.
People don't understand background. You should not allow. Okay, so good. You can do one thing, Mataji. See, my number is here. I explained many times. My email ID. You can write to me whatever the class main points were there. Okay. I'll try to get 2-3 people to play the role of in every group of a CR. Okay, so that it becomes easy for me. You can do that. See, what are the main points we discussed today? So the next time when we come for the class, we know what we have done.
Okay.
Okay? So just kind of a memory. See, this is my email ID, namadas@gmail. Okay?
Okay.
So keep a track of what all has happened, and can you make a book, notes every time? Okay, today we discuss this and we discuss Prahlad Leela till this much. So tomorrow when we come, I exactly know where to start. Okay?
Okay, Prabhuji.
And you can message me. ठीक है, चलो, that is good.
Hare
Any
Krishna,
question?
Prabhu. Yeah,
And
Prabhu, I have a
anybody?
question.
Okay, we
Prabhu.
can have some question now. So is it good? This is stop at 1 hour because not make it late because at 10 o'clock people sleep also. And therefore we have 2 classes in a week. So you'll have in the 2 classes some good input is there.
Yes, Prabhu.
Yes.
So, Prabhu, Prahlad Maharaj, how about his previous life?
Prahlad Maharaj previous life, why? He acted as a pure devotee. After that, how does it matter, the previous life?
Like Narada Muni, does he have any previous life, Prabhu?
Difficult to say, okay? But he acted as a super devotee. That's it. Be happy.
Sure, Prabhu. So next question was the Hiranyakashipu, whatever we hear, there is a place called Ahobilam in Andhra Pradesh. Is that the place or it was in Patal Lok?
I am not an authority. I am not an authority. Therefore, I do not want to comment. But there is one other place of Narsimha Sthana is Ahobilam. But exactly has it happened there? I'm not an authority on that. Okay? True, there are many temples of Narsimha Deva there. People go for Narsimha Deva darshan. Yes.
Well, were they not in Patal Lok, Prabhu, since he was a Daitya?
No, Daitya, he was sitting in Indrapuri. What? He was sitting in Indrapuri. Indra's throne he was sitting sometimes. He had conquered everything. Okay, this also makes sense. Any other question? To go the philosophy.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji.
Ha.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji.
Yes. Hare Krishna.
You
Chaudhary.
said chanting. Yes, I am Mrs. Chaudhary, Gungun Chaudhary from Abu Dhabi, Prabhuji.
Yes, Mataji.
Prabhuji, you said about chanting 16 times a day, and
Oh,
today
that-
we read about this Sri Shikshatam.
uh-huh.
So this prayer should come before the chanting.
That is best. That's what every ISKCON temple we do. In the morning, after the Mangalarti, we all sit down and we chant this prayer with all the heart. Chetodara Panamarjanam Bhava Mahadavagnirvapanam Shreya Kairava Chandrika Vitaranam Vidyavadu Jivanam Anandam Buddhivardhanam Pratipadam Purnamrita Swadanam Sarvatma Snapanam Param Vijayate Shri Krishna Sankirtanam. Like that, we chant the whole 8 stanzas and then we become chanting in temple. And before chanting Hare Krishna mantra, we also chant Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhara Shivasati Gaura Bhakta Vrinda. You know that prayer, no? That you know,
Yes.
Mataji. And then you
Yes.
chant Hare Krishna. It's good, you know. What happens? Okay, so for somebody who's chanting for 5 minutes, still he can do what is there. It takes just 2 minutes to chant Shishnastika.
So there are 7 cantos to this prayer. We need to memorize all of them.
No, 8 prayers are there, 8 shlokas. Ashtaka means 8.
Okay.
No, there is no compulsory. See, what you can do in the beginning, you can just keep it in front of you by, I will see it is shared on all the groups. So you can just keep it in front of you and print out, or best is to take a printout, or in your mobile, you can have it in your mobile. So you can just read it before chanting. It's so nice.
Okay. Thank you, Prabhuji. Hare Krishna.
Any other question, Mataji?
Oh, thank you.
Prabhuji,
Hmm.
I heard there is one Prahalad temple in Punjab, in near Patan. Where the Prahalad temple and where is supposed to have this Narasimha place.
No, there are
That is
many
the-
places. That's what I in the outset when he said Ahobilam, I said I'm not an authority. There are many places where this Leela, and also what happens, Narasimha Deva is Vishnu. He can have a Leela at many places parallelly also. So that's why let me not comment as an authority. But true, we are very happy. Yato yato yami tato Narasimha. To Narasimha, Parato Narasimha. He's everywhere, no Narasimha. So he's inside, outside, everything. And it is good to pray to Narasimha Deva. Maybe in this Leela, Ashita Anantaraman, can you keep a note that we teach everybody after the Narasimha prayer? That will be good. Just keep a note. After we finish the pastime, we teach everybody one Narasimha prayer so they can every day pray to Narasimha for protection.
Okay.
Okay. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Okay. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna, Prabhuji.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Prabhuji.
So we meet tomorrow. Fine.
Yes, Prabhuji. Yes, Prabhuji. Tomorrow morning 5 o'clock.
Yes, Prabhuji. Hare
Tomorrow,
Krishna.
tomorrow night is their class. Morning 5, somebody welcome. But our class is, this batch is 9 o'clock, no? Tomorrow.
Yes, Prabhuji.
Yeah, I don't mind.
Yes,
You come
Prabhuji.
there are 4 batches in a day. You come all the 4. I have no problem. Okay. But we'll meet tomorrow night. Okay. Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna.
Hare
everybody.
Hare Krishna, Prabhuji.
Hare
Good
Krishna.
night.
Krishna.
Thank you.
Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna.